today I'm back in Indy, and behind me you can see they just finished putting down one module out of 80 in this 36 unit apartment complex that's built by Volumod. So this wasn't a video that I had planned, but when I heard it was going down, I thought, what a great opportunity to show people the speed and advantage of building in a factory then delivering to site. So they just started this yesterday. Yesterday they craned 12 boxes into place. They're going to crane 12 more today. And if you divide 80 by 12, that's just under 7 days to build out a 36 unit apartment complex. Obviously there's finish work that needs to be done after the fact, like services and siding, but still just under 7 days to build out a 36 unit apartment complex. What I thought might be cool to do today was to show you the process, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to wait for the next box to arrive, and I'm going to show you in real time what it takes to go from the truck onto the building, and we can just kind of watch this unfold. Times it by 80 and you've got a 36 unit apartment complex. Let's check it out. So as you can see, they've got the next two pieces ready to be lifted in the street over here. They just backed one in right under the crane there, and the other is up the street. So now what they're gonna do is take off the plastic and they're gonna attach the straps. Once the straps are attached and they're ready to lift, I'm gonna start the POV cam and we'll be able to see exactly how long it takes to go from the trailer onto the building. Times it by 80, and that gives us a pretty good idea of how long this entire process takes. Spoiler alert, it's fast. All right, we've got liftoff. So I was just talking to one of the sales guys from Volumod, and the goal for today is actually 18 units craned into place, not 12. They did 12 yesterday, but the goal for today is 18. I can't redo my math on the fly. Maybe someone can do it and put it in the comments so that we've got it, because I kind of got to pay attention to what we got going on here. So I think this piece is going to go in front of the last piece that they just put in, and I'm going to try and do the delicate dance of getting footage and not getting hit by a car. So if I stop talking or mumble a little bit, it's just because I'm trying not to get hit by a car as I cross the street. Bear with me. So you can see that they've moved the next piece into place, ready to be craned there. And the one after that should be showing up any minute now. We're a minute into this lift. They're halfway from the trailer to the building. So let's just see. I'm trying to get the best angle here to show you exactly what this looks like. I was at the Volumod factory yesterday, and apparently they've got orders well into 2026. So this is definitely something that people are very interested in. No, I was wrong. This is going towards the back. So let me go back this way. Bus coming. There it is. Okay. So minute 40 in, and could stay here, but I think I can get a better angle if I go across. A total of 80 units. They're yanking the trailer out over here, making room for the next piece. I guess they've got everything required to lift 18 in a day. What they don't have is enough trucks. I guess that's where the logjam is. So they could do 18 in a day with this crane, with the people they've got. They just don't have the trucks. I almost went for it there, but I would have got hit by this Tesla. So here we go. Let me go around this guy. Man, that is fast. It's only been 2.5 minutes so far. Gotta run. Okay. I don't know what piece this is out of 80, but if they did 12 yesterday, it's 10:30 now. It's probably about the 18th box going on, and still about 1.5 feet off the building yet, so it's just about there. And obviously when I say take whatever time this ends up being and times it by 80, that doesn't account for all the build time that took place in the factory. But what I like about this kind of building is they can build this foundation at the same time that the modulars are being built inside the Volumod factory. So that's where you save time. It's not like you have to build the foundation and then build the modulars. You can build them both at the same time and then bring them all out here and crane them into place, much like we are seeing right now. So it looks like it's touching, but not quite, because they're just making sure that it's in the exact right spot before they put it down. There's still about, you know, it's touching on one side, but there's about an 8-inch gap on that side over there. My finger's looking real blurry today for some reason. So they're just making the final adjustments. We are 4 minutes and 5 seconds into this lift. The next one's ready. The one after that should be showing up any minute now. And rinse and repeat for 80 times until this building is completely done. All right, looks like we're getting close. So like I said, when this is done, it's going to be a 36 unit apartment building or possibly condo building. I'm not sure if they're selling them off or it'll be kept for someone to rent out. That's above my pay grade. I'm hoping to be able to get a rendering or see a final picture when it's done, just to show you exactly what it looks like. But I do have to catch a flight today, so this will be the last time I see it unless I'm back in Indy at another time. So let's take a look at the back over here.
Like a vest or something.
Oh, hang on. I'm just being told I need a vest. I'm going to keep this running. I don't, but I can back up a little bit if that's better.
I mean, I get that. They got one in there. I just, if OSHA drives by or
Sure.
something.
Yeah, if you grab me one, that I would wear it for sure. Okay, we're still live, folks. The show must go on. We're getting a high-vis vest, which is probably a good thing, just in case they lift the house over top of me. I don't want them to drop it on me or hit me with it, so. I'm not opposed to high-vis. I just didn't have one with me. So it's official. It has touched down on the building. That was 5 minutes, 57 seconds, and as you can see right over there, they've got the next one ready to go. They're going to repeat the process another 60, 62 times, and when they're done here, what we're going to end up with is a 36 unit apartment building. By the time he comes back with my high vis, I'm going to be out of here. So kind of cool to see this live. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, that's it for me here in Indy. I hope you enjoyed the video, kind of a little behind the scenes look at what's involved in building out a 36 unit apartment complex with modulars. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.